Okay, this is a little different. Basically, I got a bunch of tools and photographs that I use for reference. Various pictures here and there for reference. Just screen grabs from movies and stuff like that, you know. Of course, we have famous people as well. Just for reactions. Just various pictures here and there. So basically for reference only. So always have a nice collection of faces. So we'll put these aside right here. I got the torch here. It's a Lank LPT 200-1. So it works quite well. It's for just burning in details. I think you push it in like that. Then you have a constant flame there. You can adjust it. Intensity. And turn it off like that. And I got my famous saber-tooth burrs here in a pack. 6-pack here, more or less, but different shapes. I got this really worn out brass brush used to clean burrs and things like that from debris. Then I have my Stylo Plus, which is right here. It's a Dremel, light duty tool. Then I got these unusual rippler files, different shapes. It's good for finishing the product. This is a fine grade kind set, but anyway, you got different shapes here. Pretty nice. These aren't Italian, they're pretty much Chinese made. I got some brushes to brush off the debris from faces and stuff like that. And my workhorse, which is a Dremel 370. It's like an old school, but it still works great. Very nice. That back. Then I got some Scribes here, which I use to scribe into the face. Little lines and contours, details. And a brush to brush off stuff too. So basically these are found scribes, like owls, for punching in leather products, but I use them for wood tools. Here's a homemade one I made here. But anyway, this one's like a 3/8 pin vise, which I custom made. This little scribe slides in and you tighten it up. It's good for adding details and lines to the face. So that's what's in my bag. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, one more thing. I got a couple burrs here. These are saber-tooth burrs that I bought independently. And I have these tighteners to tighten the Dremel tools. And then I got a pencil sharpener, which I use quite a bit. like a pencil just for drawing in details and stuff like that. And then I got these various burrs here. Carbide burrs, more or less. But yeah, I almost forgot those tools. Those are very important. So anyway, I just wanted to share and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, bye.